Welcome all YouTubers, this is your wannabe gangster Mike, Best Tech Product Reviews. Today, the most revolutionary product that I have seen in a while. Good luck trying to get one of these guys because it is in very few select Starbucks locations or on the Ember website. Once again, I bring you the very latest and greatest things that you probably have not seen anywhere except here. So please don't forget to definitely subscribe and check out my cool videos such as LED shoes, LED glasses, and other badass gadgets and cool stuff. Anyhow, little self-promotion there, of course, guys. So today, this is from Ember Technologies. This is their only and current product right now. Again, you can buy it on their website. I put a link in the description, as I always do. That way you guys don't have to strain your fingers typing on the poor keyboard or touchscreen. So this is one of those things that's kind of like a novelty, kind of luxury, not necessary, but very convenient to have. Have you ever struggled with coffee or tea? 5 minutes later, it's just already too cold, or you get a drink and it's scalding hot, and then you have to keep the lid open, and then after it reaches your perfect temperature, and you're like, shoot, it just doesn't taste good anymore. Well, this darn product solves that all. This is one of those things you just didn't know you really needed till you had it, guys. This, I will say, I've been looking forward to something like this. This definitely gave me a tech orgasm, so to speak. Is that right? Tech orgasm? Tech orgy? Something like that? Anyhow, so this is designed in California. Temperature does matter. A few degrees can make a big difference in taste. Ember technology quickly adjusts the temperature of your favorite hot beverage, bringing enjoyment that lasts for hours. You just pour, choose your temperature, and then you enjoy. It will keep the temperature for 2 hours. Comes in a rechargeable, conductive dock. I mean, this thing is super high tech. It uses an iPhone or Android app. Keeps your temperature precise while on the go all day for 2 hours. Simple, easy to use, no buttons or complicated instructions. Just rotate the dial at the bottom and it will show you on the screen what the current and set temperature is at, and it's customizable with the app. I already set it up beforehand because the pairing process was honestly a super pain in the ass. And then temperature makes all the difference between delicious and disappointing. The precise control means your drink is perfect temperature from the first sip to the last sip. Guys, I have been looking forward to this. I'm so excited to show you this. So that was the look at the box. Control your temperature, taste the difference. Set that off to the side. You got the quick start guide. Tells you how to set it up, how to try to get in pairing. That was really difficult, honestly. I don't know if it was me or I tried a whole bunch of times, but it says you push and hold the Ember logo to get it in pairing, but then down here it says you do it while off. But enough of that. To turn it off, you just press the logo for 3 seconds and it will ask off and then to confirm. So, and then to set it up, it has a cool conductive charging pad. And you can enjoy cold drinks too. It won't exactly refrigerate, but it will just simply insulate. To switch from cold mode to heating, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right or increase the temperature within the app. And then if you need to, you can reset it at the bottom, and tells you how to clean it. It recommends an OXO steel brush. Obviously don't put it in the microwave. So let me show you the mug here. Super cool, guys. Comes with this really nice dock. It's really nice and soft velvety finish. And then instead of plugging in the back, you peel this off and then you shove the cord in here. Okay, only thing is I wish they made that well a little bit deeper. Dry it well. Water can cause damage to the coaster, so dry your mug before placing it here. So it recommend have the bottom of the mug and have this dry to charge. Just don't get this wet. So again, this mug not only helps maintain the temperature, has an actual cooling system to lower the temperature. It says on the top you have a pushed open mechanism. That's open and that's closed. Space thermal insulation, patent microprocessor controlled heating system, high capacity battery, Bluetooth radio, rotating temperature dial, hidden tilt display, stainless steel inner vessel, and patent phase cooling system. It's 475 grams. The capacity is 12 fluid ounces. It is 8 inches tall by 2 3/4 on the bottom, and at the top 3 1/8 inches. So that tells you the temperature. You double tap again, and that's the name of the mug. I just put my name. The stock or the default is Ember. And then you tap 3 times, it shows the battery life. And you tap once, it shows you the temperature. That shows that it's cooling. And then you go like that, you click, that's how you adjust the temperature. So that's some of the specs on that. The lid is specially designed to feel like you're drinking from a ceramic mug with a perfect lip interface 360 drinking experience. The lid engineered with an open design. Ember was designed by Ammunition Group, the same team that designed the Beats by Dr. Dre. So that's pretty cool or interesting to know. And then they have a company video, and it says the average serving temperature for coffee is a scalding 160 degrees, 71 Celsius. Muy caliente. Yet the average preferred drinking temperature is around 135. The Ember mug will rapidly cool your hot coffee or tea down to the temperature you choose, and then hold it there at the exact temperature for hours on end. Pretty exciting stuff, guys, right? And then there's a commercial for it. It shows the Starbucks, and then you just click on their website where to buy, and then it shows you the limited locations. So I had to be on the reservation list. Sometimes just a few degrees can make the difference in how something tastes. We're here to make sure your drink tastes exactly the way you like it. So it's precise, keeps your temperature good for 2 hours, simple, customizable, read that already, touch sensitive logo, and I believe that's it. Let me show you the app. That's pretty cool. It's not necessary, the app, but it will alert you if you're not looking and you have it charging in your kitchen or whatnot. It will give you a push notification, which you can turn on or off. And they also want to know, it asks to send your location services. I don't know why. I guess just to learn more marketing, I turn that off. But obviously you need Bluetooth on, and then you got to register with the email or Facebook type of thing. You know, companies are nosy nowadays. So you can adjust the temperature in the app. That way you don't have to strain yourself, get up from the couch, guys. How cool and lazy is that? Your perfect temperature of 134 degrees has been reached. So you'll get that notification. And then I increased it to 138, where you could do it on the mug. It will flash on one side to show it's heating, and then the other side to show it's cooling. And then you can see the battery life. See on the top left corner, you could see right there. And then on the top right, you get some cool, really cool settings, guys. You can see, you can turn on and off the temp notification. It lets you know for mug updates if it's up to date. So I guess you can update it with firmware. And temperature, if you want Fahrenheit or Celsius, you can type in the mug name. Okay, and then also some account settings, like do you want to be kept up to date via your email, which it just pulled from Facebook. That's how I signed up for it. So that is really super cool. And then you can adjust the click sound on the dial volume. The thing I'm not sure about is, do they mean the volume on the mug, or do they mean in the interface right here? Because when I adjusted it up and down, I didn't really notice a difference. See right there, it's on max. And actually, while the dial slides, it only stops like the beginning or middle or end. So it's got really 3 spots, so that they should really update. It will only stay in 3 positions. So again, I told you I'm a thorough reviewer. And then you could see there, I'm adjusting the temperature. The max looks like it goes is to 145. So let's drop it down to 130, and you can see it change on the mug. I can definitely feel the warmth of the mug. And if I change it here, I don't hear no click noise, but let's see here. Here, very faint little click there. Let's put it to max and see what happens. It says saving. Hopefully let's wake it up. About the same thing, so that's a little bit confusing, but otherwise pretty simple to use. One tap, show the temperature and what it's doing, whether it's heating or cooling to get to your preferred temperature. Double tap twice, has your mug name. Triple tap 3 times, boom, 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 shows you the battery life. Then you push and hold, asks you want to turn off, you tap to confirm, says goodbye. And then to turn on, I think it's just a quick little tap. Let's see. You just push and hold like 2 or 3 seconds. Says hello or whatnot. So pretty cool. And then again to drink. And then you just, once you set it on here, it automatically goes and shows that it's charging. So other than that, guys, pretty freaking cool. I look forward to having nice hot tea. Stay hot, but not too hot. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Please share a link to your family and friends. That way they can check out my other cool stuff. Check out the video for my LED shoes, my MacBook Pro, and a bunch of other nifty stuff I'm sure you guys will appreciate. Sorry for lack of special effects. Here we just get right straight down to the good stuff. That way I can bring you more videos more often. Alright guys, thanks again for tuning in. Take care.